friends, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today is story time. Are you excited?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, today's story name is The Umbrella Who Loved the Sun.
This is Sunny. Sunny is an umbrella. All the other umbrellas love the rain. Pitter patter, they say. But not Sunny. Sunny loves the sun.
Sunny, the umbrella, loves the sun. He wants to feel the warm sun on his top. He wants to be a little bit like the sun.
When the sky is grey and cloudy, all the other umbrellas are happy. But Sunny is sad. He tries to sneak out. Silly umbrella.
Sunny loves the sun. On a sunny day, he wiggles and wobbles. He wants to play with the butterflies. Wiggle, wobble, wiggle.
One day, a family took Sunny to the beach. The beach had sand and waves, lots of sun. Sunny was so happy.
The family opened Sunny up. Pop! He was big and round. The sun was so bright. But Sunny wasn't sad. He was making a big, cool shade.
Two little kids ran to Sunny. They sat in his cool shade. They ate yummy snacks and giggled. Giggle.
This was Sunny's favorite thing. He loved the sun, but he loved helping the kids too. He was a happy umbrella who made a happy shade.
The sun was warm. The beach was fun. The shade was cool. And the Sunny, the umbrella, was the happiest umbrella of all.
He loved the sun. He loved the beach. And he loved making shade. Hooray for Sunny! Have you enjoyed today's story? You have learned so many new words today.
Yes, Mom, I loved.
Okay. Thanks for learning with us. See you tomorrow.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.